Morning guys, welcome back to another video. It's actually morning today guys, and you know what, it's actually not a bad morning this morning. So it's currently 8:30 a.m. As you guys may have noticed, it's starting to get brighter. So a few months ago 8:30 would have looked like nighttime, but now you know what, it's starting to get brighter, so that means that spring is coming, so we can expect that in another few months. So the reason why I'm up today guys is I'm taking Nats to work. You guys would have seen from previous videos that Nats is now working. She's now working as a receptionist. It's actually her first office job here in Canada guys. So she's really excited. That's something that she used to do in Jamaica, of course. She was employed as an office administrator in Jamaica. Since coming to Canada, she had to do a number of different jobs. She worked as a janitor, worked as a cleaner, worked as a room attendant, as a housekeeper, well, same thing. And then she worked as a store merchandiser, and now she's finally getting, you know, more into the office related jobs that she would have been used to. So she's super excited guys. So you know what, come on this little trip this morning, just taking her to work, and you know what, hopefully I just have a little chat with her to find out how's her first office job in Canada going. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe guys, it really helps us out. Hola, bonjour, hello, konnichiwa. Hello, alright, so good morning, good night, good afternoon. I don't know when you guys will be seeing this video, but you know what, thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. As I said just now in the introduction, I'll be dropping Nats at work. Today is our first full day at work guys. So she started a few weeks ago, but I'll be like 2-hour shift and 1.5 hour shift. I said, so today she's going to work a full 9 to 5 guys. She's been home for an entire year and she don't want to go work.
I don't want to go work. You just want money. Who wants to work? People just
Can you
want
believe
money.
that guys? When them is getting up in the early morning and snow start going to work,
this one,
Nats is curled up in bed. Yeah, snuggled to the best of our abilities.
Yes.
Hold on guys, I'm backing out of the driveway.
Malika there.
Yeah, so as I mentioned guys, what I want to talk to you guys about today is to just get Nats feedback. So it's kind of like a story time in a nutshell. Is how does it feel getting your first office job in Canada? What does it feel like? Is there any similarities or differences to like working in an office in like Jamaica? Or is there any pointers or tips that you probably want to like throw in anybody's direction in terms of what to look out for and stuff like that? Of course I have a few, you know guys, but I just want to hear Nats perspective, because of course Nats, as I said, Nats just came to Canada. She had to do like different type of jobs just to put food on the table. At one point she was working as a prostitute. I'm joking. I'm joking guys. So Nats was a janitor, she was a cleaner, you know, merchandiser, she has done it all. Housekeeper. So now she's actually working in an office. How does it feel, guys?
It feels good to actually go back into the little zone that I was in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So yeah, it feels good. This office, look here, every work that I've got. I don't really know much. Never I stressed job ever, except for the warehouse job. But this office job, is just working at the front. Is just doing customer service.
Yeah.
That's it.
Would you say there is any like, alright, so obviously I've worked in offices in Jamaica before, right? Even though you just started, so probably most of the office politics and stuff like that wouldn't be present as yet. But from the little that you have experienced so far, is there any similarities or differences in working in an office here in Canada compared to like Jamaica?
Here is just work. It's not like sit down, chill, talk about life. Or yeah, you do have it. At the few days that I've been there, you do have persons like my boss coming to me telling me about her life. But it is not like Jamaica where it's like everybody is like laid back and you know, do look at work here and there. It's like everybody's just work. Okay. Chill time now and then it's just work.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about like office power? You know, like in Jamaica, your supervisor want to make it known, so you're your supervisor.
So my supervisor for like the 5 days is really nice. She's like really nice. She's like talkative, nice. Just when I know if I pretend or not, but she just nice.
Yeah.
And just she ever want to talk. She ever want to talk about something we have on.
Okay.
But we have this one lady that I met since she's the only supervisor on Wednesday. She only supervisor on Wednesday, and she wants to make it known that she.
Oh, me the boss.
Me a boss.
Oh, me the boss.
So you know, girl, just a watch her. Just have to watch her. But yeah, but that's it.
But I don't know, do you like it?
I love it.
Love it?
Actually love it.
Okay. So Nats, as I said, is a receptionist. Of course, when you guys with your masters and your doctorate and your PhD and your HFC and your RRC and your 1000 letter behind you. I said, "Look, receptionist job should go and so over." Listen, guys.
Yes. May I celebrate the small steps.
100%.
Hey. Hey? So
100%.
come up there when the masters and all of that. So up there with them too. So
yeah, and that's everybody's journey is different.
Exactly.
So many of you guys probably wondering like, why are they making a big deal over something so simple? Listen, coming to a new country, guys. Not everybody is able to start from the middle or the top. Some of us have to start from the bottom. So knowing Nat's journey and where she, hey Malika, don't remember that. Knowing Nat's journey and how far she's coming from, this is actually a victory. So it has to be celebrated, and you know what, all our victories are shared with you guys. So please smash a like on the video if it is that you guys are happy that Nats is back in our element. No more cleaning toilet, babes.
It's just a choice if I want to.
Just a choice.
Yeah, it's a choice if I want to.
100%. Right? So yeah, as I said, guys, we just wanted to do this video to let you guys know that Nats is back in our element. Obviously, working in an office in Canada. It's something that was a dream a couple of years ago. If somebody would have told us that this was gonna be like our life in the future, we wouldn't tell them to lie to tell. Definitely, guys, we'd say that I lie to tell. But on and all, guys, coming to a new country, it's something that we love. It's something that we're learning about every day. Even though we have been here for almost 3 years now, there are still things that we are learning. Some things happen still that surprises us, that reminds us that, you know what, God, we still don't know everything about the society that we're now living in. And as we learn, we share, guys. Definitely hope you guys appreciate the effort that we've been putting into bringing our real life experiences for you guys. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, guys. I don't know the thing, but really help us out. And you know what, guys, I'm gonna be dropping a banger very soon. So of course you guys would have known that I am a banker. I work in a bank here in Canada. That's what I do for a living. But you know what, guys, something coming very soon. Just look out for it. You guys are gonna be so proud, because I'm proud, and I'm sure Nats is proud. But I can't just say anything too much on that as yet, because Nats is in the background saying, "Don't say."
I'm not in background, I'm right here.
But it's coming pretty soon, guys. Anyways, we're pulling up to Nats' workplace, guys. Let me just show you guys a shot of what it looked like. So I wanna drop, you know.
Yeah, drop-offs.
Drop-offs? Are they Charles Spencer?
I think so. They have some activity over there. No, you're just gonna make everybody know which part I walk.
So what
Can't find me. But Nat's there. It's Nat's there.
If you're ever in the Grande Prairie area, in the Grande Prairie vicinity, that's walk over here, so stop by a Kagera Hill, man. You don't know the thing said. All the Albertans in the link up, you don't know, say Grande Prairie is the place to be. If you are not here, you should be here. Yeah, but on a bigger picture, Alberta is the place to be. But we don't know that already. We're not fake. Go around that again. So this is where Nats work, guys. Our office is just right there.
6 minutes.
You have 6 minutes?
I have 6 minutes.
Oh, she has 6 minutes.
So
now it's have 6 more minutes. What would you like to say as you go to your new work today? No, before I say that, let me just say to you as you go to your first full day of work today that I'm proud of you. All the best for today. You know, we talk about it a lot, and everything is mental. Everything is deliberate. You choose your day pretty much. Just constantly be vigilant of your surroundings, of
Read the room.
read the room, be observant of where you are at all times. And then oftentimes, most importantly, be yourself. Don't let the environment shape how you behave or how you act, but also remember, say, you are in control. Be yourself the best professional way possible. All right, that's my little talk tonight, guys. Anyways, what would you like to say as you go and for your first day?
Please take care of the kids, don't.
Guys, so I'm supposed to be taking the kids back here today because actually like recreational area, it has like gym, playground and swimming pool and everything. So I might be taking the kids here back today. I can't believe that nuts lay out the clothes.
Because
whatever
when you
I
come
put
in on
on.
the road, look here, you can't know when them are just the kids. You know what? I'm going to work.
Look here, all of the
Guys,
fathers.
just be positive. Have a good day. What else? Thank you guys for supporting us. What else? There's a lot. Thank you. Just thank you guys.
All of the fathers them will try them best. Big up on yourself, you know. No say the race is not for the swift, but also make sure that you are present in a kid's life. If it means say boy, you just your kids and a mismatch, it doesn't matter. Right? But then can look and say, yeah, daddy just the one there, you know. You understand what I'm saying? Looking more babes. Have a fantastic day.
Later.
No tell Nuts bye.
Bye guys.
Nuts. Yeah, so I just dropped off Nuts, guys. I'm here now with 2 kids for the rest of the day. Kid number 1, kid number 2. It's gonna be a journey, guys. It's gonna be a trip. I haven't parent solo in a while for the entire day. Give thanks to Nuts, by the way, for that. So, you know, just an adventure today. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to take you guys everywhere we go today, but all in all, I just want to thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for the support that you've been showing our family, and we truly appreciate you guys, and we really appreciate the community that we have been steadily building so far. We are at 2,000 subscribers. We're probably 5 away from 2,000 subscribers. The goal for this year, guys, is 10,000 subscribers. So we need 8,000 more subscribers to get to our goal for 2022. It's possible, guys, but it's not possible without your help. It's not possible without your support, and it's definitely not possible to do this at all without you. So of course, guys, we go live every Sundays. We haven't gone live in 2 Sundays now, guys, because of course Malika wasn't well last week, so we had to take a little bit of time off just to, you know, spend with our family and just make sure that we, you know, nurse her back to health as best as possible. Say hi, Malika. Say hi. Yeah, you guys know Malika by now. Yeah, so yeah, so we should be going live tomorrow, guys. What we'll be talking about tomorrow, guys, is tips and tricks in getting your study permit approved, right? So we'll be just sharing tricks and tips and all of that to, you know, give yourself your best chance of getting your study permit approved, right? So that's the topic for tomorrow, guys. Of course, today is Saturday. It's a long weekend here in Canada. Monday is actually Family Day, which is observed in most provinces, not in all provinces, but it's actually a statutory holiday, so there's no work this Monday. So we should be able to do loads of content for you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for the love again. Thank you so much for the support. And you know what, I'm just gonna be going back home, and I'll just take you guys on that drive back home. All right, see you guys probably in the next video. Big up on yourself.